Welcome to my English for Life channel.
Hi there. Let's learn 5 common cooking verbs in English, with simple examples. To grill is to cook over direct heat, usually on a grill. We grill burgers in the summer. To mix is to combine 2 or more things together. She mixes flour and eggs to make dough. To season is to add salt, pepper, or spices to food for flavor. He seasons the chicken with garlic and pepper. To freeze is to make something very cold until it becomes solid. I freeze leftover soup for later. To simmer is to cook something slowly on low heat. Let the sauce simmer for 20 minutes. Quiz time. Can you choose the correct verb? I cook meat over a fire outside. What verb do I use? A. Grill. B. Mix. C. Freeze. I add salt and spices to the soup to make it taste better. What do I do? A. Simmer. B. Season. C. Freeze. I put the leftover food in the freezer. What am I doing? A. Grill. B. Freeze. C. Mix. I stir flour, sugar, and eggs in a bowl. What verb fits best? A. Mix. B. Simmer. C. Grill. I cook the tomato sauce slowly on low heat. What is this called? A. Season. B. Grill. C. Simmer.
See you next video.